Description of some coordinate systems in CNC machine tools. 1. Machine coordinates, also known as mechanical coordinates. The origin of the machine tool is a fixed point on the machine tool, also known as the machine tool's 0 point or the machine tool or the zero position of the machine tool, which is a physical position set by the machine tool manufacturer on the machine tool. It is a physical position set on the machine by the machine tool manufacturer. 2. Workpiece coordinates, also called absolute coordinates. The coordinates of all points of the workpiece are based on a programmed coordinate system, for example G54 or G55, a 0-point measurement. 3. Relative coordinates. The relative coordinates are generally used UVW, corresponding to x, y, z respectively. The endpoint coordinates of the trajectory are calculated relative to the starting point. 4. Temporary coordinates, also called coordinate offset. Use G5 to establish a temporary coordinate system. After use, the offset is cancelled with G5 to x0 y0 z0.